Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OUKITEL RT8 and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and in this left section we have to scroll down to find the either passwords and accounts or Google. It's up to you. I prefer this one, so let me tap on it, and here tap on Add Account. Choose Google and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. Then let's choose who's going to use this device. And here we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me quickly do it. Okay, there's a problem here. Okay, and then tap on Next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on Next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so I highly recommend to tap on them and check them, and then tap on I agree. Right here we've got the info about the backup and storage section, so just tap on Accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Of course, you can also remove it whenever you want to. Just tap on it and tap on Remove Account. Tap on Remove Account again, and as you can see, it will immediately disappear. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.